This all just doesn't add up.
There's a scotch in these woods.
If I wasn't hunting Bigfoot, I don't know what I would do.
Oh, hi. Didn't see you there. Today, we're going to be interviewing a woman who thinks she encountered a Bigfoot. What are you doing? Looking for Bigfoot, man? No!
What is your name?
My name is Gretel.
And what did you witness that day out here in the woods?
Well, I was taking a bath in there, and I saw this man behind me. I'm like, who is that? It's in the middle of the woods. How could he see me? And so I looked back and looked at him a little bit closer, and I saw he was covered in hair. And I was like, is that Chewbacca? I'm like, no.
In order to figure out how tall your Sasquatch encounter was, I'm gonna continue to raise this stick into the air. And once it reaches the height of your encounter, please tell me to stop.
Okay, got it.
Are you
That's
sure?
it. That's how tall it was.
This is it.
Yep,
You are positive.
yep,
You sure?
yep.
Okay. That's a good 52 feet. Wow.
Oh my
That's a
goodness.
Sasquatch.
Oh my goodness.
Wow! It's almost nighttime. I'm going to let out a howl. Woo! This is fun. This is really fun. Oh my God!